Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times, and this is the Honor Play smartphone that is aimed at the performance in the mid-range category. The smartphone is priced at Rs 20,000 for the 4GB plus 64GB variant, and it offers quite a lot, including the Kirin 970 chipset, which is the flagship chipset offering a very good performance, and there is the GPU turbo support as well for a better gaming and a better performance overall. So this is a smartphone, and this comes with that notch display. That is a 6.3-inch display with the full HD plus resolution, and along with that there is the Kirin 970 chipset and a dual lens camera combination of 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel cameras on the back, 16 megapixel camera on the front as well, and there are two variants, one with 4GB of RAM and other with 6GB of RAM, and the prices are below 25,000, which is a very good pricing because of the fact that this comes with the Kirin 970 chipset, which was the same that was powering even the Huawei P20 Pro, the Honor 10, as well as a couple of other smartphones which all offer the flagship chipset performance. Now, before we head into everything else, let's do a very quick unboxing, and this could be one of the fastest unboxings what we are showing you right now because there's nothing else except for the box package and these accessories that are coming along in this. Now, what is powering the phone is that Kirin 970 chipset, but what Honor has worked on is the GPU turbo technology. GPU turbo is not about overclocking the GPU. It's more about how the graphics are rendered and how they are stored in the GPU itself, and whenever there is the same graphics that has to be loaded, it doesn't load again fully. It is directly taken from the storage, and that is what makes it smoother and faster. That is what the company has given an idea about the GPU turbo. And if you're talking about the gaming performance here, it's with the PUBG Mobile right now that the company has worked with, and where you can see a very good smooth performance that is possible here on the PUBG Mobile. And the company is also working with GameLoft for the other games, and it is said that Honor is going to push out the next GPU turbo update with a lot of improvements in the interface itself, where the interface loading will become faster and much smoother, which it already is, but still it would get better here. Apart from that, given the fact that EMUI or the Emotion UI is from the same company that is making the chipset, that's the Kirin chipsets, that's Huawei working on both of them, you know that the optimization done would be perfect because they have the full authority and the full independence of working on both of them together and making the interface much smoother and faster, and that is why you see the Kirin chipset always offering a very good performance on the EMUI interfaces. And before we end up, you can see this gaming video. We did a couple of minutes of gaming. We've actually played a lot of games already, and I've been playing PUBG on this smartphone, but here there's a quick demo of the PUBG Mobile for you to understand whether the game is playing well or not, and this is that demo here. So this was an overall overview of the Honor Play smartphone that is launched for Rs 20,000 for the 4GB RAM variant, and that is a very seriously good pricing for this smartphone because it comes with everything. There are no compromises here. There's that fingerprint sensor on the back, face unlock on the front, as well as the very good camera combination and the notch display, which though some might not like, still it is one of the trends right now in India, and that is why that display is here with the 6.3-inch screen size, and there's a uncompromised 16 megapixel camera on the front. So this is the Honor Play. I hope you like this video. If you do share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.